Hello everyone, once again. In this video, I'm going to be showing a program that allows the user to go through a library pretty much. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate two new concepts in Python, which is databases and object-oriented. And of course, I'm going to be creating functions as well. I managed to create this program in 267 lines of code. And to start, I first had to create the database and create the table of the database to get all the information of the book. And of course, I had to add all the books into the database. And with object-oriented, I had to make a book class that takes all the information of the books, like the ID, title, author, and so on, and of course, getters and setters. There's also a function that essentially saves all the stuff from the book class and saves it all into the database. So if we create a new book, we can see that it will be stored into the database right here. And before I run the program, I'm going to go through the functions that were used to make this program possible. And to start off, of course, is the menu function and the get menu option for the user to choose the menu options. And from there, I created a display books function that connects to the database and displays all the information of the book for the user to display the books. And there's another function that's called search books that allows the user to search a book from title, author, and genre. And then from there, it also prints the result that gives all the information of the book. And if the book is not found, of course, it will give this error message. And it will also ask the user if they want to search again or exit the program. Here's another function that allows the user to rent a book, and this function requires the user to input the ID of the book, and they have to be separated by commas if they want to rent more than one books. In the function, it will check if the book is rented or if it's available for the user to rent out. And from there, the program calculates the date of when the book has to be returned, and of course all of this information will be printed for the user. So let us run this program to demonstrate. So I'm going to select display books, and from here we can see all the books from the database. Now let us search for a book. If we put a book that is in the database, it will display all the information. And if we type in a book that does not exist, it will say no books found. And if we search by genre, of course, it will show obviously all the lists that include fiction books. So let's go back to the menu and let us run a book. So we know that there are some books that are unavailable from the amount of the quantity of the books. So if I choose a book that is unavailable, it will tell me that it is rented out from this error message. So let us select books that are actually in stock. So 1 and 2. And from there, it will show the two books that the user rented out, as well as the due date of when the books have to be returned. And from there, the program asks the user if they want to rent more books or if they want to exit the program. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.